Hi, we are looking at how to pronounce this word correctly once and for all, the name of this rank of officer in the Army and the Air Force. And it is a weird word to say in the sense that it doesn't sound like it should when you consider how it's spelled. It could well be the only word in English with an R sound, while it's spelled with an L. In the word salmon, you have to ignore the L altogether, but here you pretty much have to replace the L with an R and say Kornel, 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 Kornel. Pretty straightforward once you know, and now you do know. Give this video a like if you found it useful, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of pronunciation. Ciao, ciao.